Hello sellers! Welcome to Part 3 of our ITA requirements. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang Mayor's Permit, National Meat Inspection Certificate, and Fertilizer and Pesticide Licensing. The Mayor's Permit or Business Permit is a legal document na nagsaserve as a license to operate your business within the jurisdiction of a specific city or LGU in the Philippines. Kailangan mo ng Mayor's Permit kung ikaw ay magbebenta sa Shopee ng alcoholic beverages or alak. Ang National Meat Inspection Service Certificate ay isang accreditation from the National Meat Inspection Service or NMIS na ang iyong meat establishment ay dumaan sa tamang accreditation system at ang products mo ay nabigyan ng accreditation and or registration number. Kung ikaw ay isang seller naman na nagbebenta ng meat, kailangan mo ng National Meat Inspection Certificate na makukuha pagkatapos dumaan sa ante-mortem and post-mortem inspection ng inyong meat products. Ang FPA or Fertilizer and Pesticide Authority License ay isang certification na nagsasabi kung ang product mo ay maaaring ma-involve sa pag-import, manufacture, formulation, repacking, distribution, delivery, sale, transport, storage, and usage of any pesticide and other agricultural chemicals. For Fertilizer and Pesticide Authority License, ito ay additional requirement kung ikaw ay nagbebenta ng fertilizers or pesticides at kakailanganin mo ng certification from the FPA para makapagbenta nito sa platform. For more information about the requirements for Internet Transactions Act, bisitahin ang Seller Education Hub or inquire with the Department of Agriculture for FPA and NMIS or your local city hall. Maraming salamat!